So today we discuss about the intermediate second year commerce. Intermediate second year commerce syllabus and weightage marks. So let's start. So basically commerce divided into two parts. So first part A means commerce, part B means accountancy. So part A 50 marks and part B also 50 marks. So part A totally 5 units are there. So each one unit, first unit and second unit, third unit, fourth unit, fifth unit lessons and weightage marks. So let's start. So first unit, so financial market and stock exchange market. In this chapter, two lessons are there. First lesson financial market and second lesson stock exchange markets. Very important, stock exchange market. So in this lesson, so we get the 10 marks question, long question. So financial market also 5 marks questions there. So totally financial market and stock exchange market 10 marks and 5 marks and very short question 2 marks. Totally 17 marks we get this first unit chapter. And second unit business services and banking services. So once again business services and banking services, banking other services. In this lesson we get the long problem 10 marks and short problem 5 marks, very short problem 2 marks. Totally, so second unit we get the totally 17 marks. So in this chapter. And third unit entrepreneurship and entrepreneurship development. So in this chapter there are two lessons are there. So first lesson entrepreneurship, second lesson entrepreneurship development. So in this chapter 5 marks and 5 marks, very short questions, so 2 marks and 2 marks. Totally 14 marks we get the third unit. Next fourth unit internal and international trade. Very important and very easy chapter. So in this chapter we get the 5 marks, 5 marks question and 2 marks very short questions. So totally fourth unit we get the 11 marks. And last unit, fifth unit, principles and functions of management. Very important long question, 10 marks question and 5 marks question and 2 marks question, very short questions. So we get the totally 17 marks in this chapter. So fifth chapter we get the 17 marks. Okay, part A totally units and weightage marks. So next part B means accountancy. So we discuss about the accountancy. Alright, so part B accountancy, totally 5 units are there. So first unit depreciation. So in this unit, so 5 marks problem and very short problem 2 marks. So totally 7 marks we get in this unit, first unit. And second unit consignment accounts. So very important and very easy. So in this chapter we get the very long question and very short question. 10 marks long question and 2 marks very short question. So totally, so consignment account chapters we get the 12 marks. And third unit accounts of non-profit organization. Accounts of non-profit organization. So it's very important. So in this chapter we get the totally 12 marks because one long question 10 marks problem and very short question 2 marks, totally 12 marks. So accounts for non profit organization, this chapter. Then fourth unit, very important, partnership account. So very important chapter. In this chapter we get the long problem 20 marks and very short problems 2. So totally we get this chapter 24 marks. Okay, next last unit, computerized accounting systems. So totally theory chapter. So in this chapter we get the 5 marks and 2 marks, 2 marks, totally 9 marks in this chapter you are getting. So basically 100 marks paper, commerce paper. So divide into 2 parts, part A and part B. So almost first year question paper model. So first part A lo first bit 3 questions are there and you attempt the only 2 questions, each questions 10 marks and 2 10 ja 20 marks, first bit. And second bit 6 questions are there and you get the you write only 4 questions and each one question 5 marks. So 4 5 ja 20 marks. And third bit totally 8 questions are there. So each you write only 5 questions, each one question 2 marks, 5 2 ja 10 marks, totally 50 marks part A. And part B also, first bit only one long problem. So you write only one problem, no choice. So each one problem 20 marks, so 20 marks. And second bit 2 questions, you write only one problem. So one problem 10 marks, so 1 10 ja 10 marks. Then third bit 4 questions, you write only 2 questions, you attempt only 2 questions, each question 5 marks, so 2 5 ja 10 marks. So last bit, fourth bit, so 8 questions are there, you write only 5 questions, each one question 2 marks, 5 2 ja 10 marks, totally 20 plus 10, 30 plus 10, 40 plus 10, 50, totally 50 marks you get. So in this chapter total syllabus and weightage marks. Okay, so please subscribe for more videos, Alpha Online Education YouTube channel. Thank you.